How should kitchen novices choose a microwave oven? Look twice. Look at the power. Look at the firepower. Let's take this American guy as an example of the microwave oven MRHE. This is very suitable for kitchen novices to start with. It has a lot of power. 800 watts of high power can heat food quickly. Firepower is big enough, not only save food, and the food is more delicious. Let's take a look at its firepower. It has a very wide range of firepower. There are 5 levels of firepower. More types of food preparation. Look at the roasted vegetable and beef cubes I made with it. Uniform color. Can you imagine this was made by a novice in the kitchen? And he's also very good looking. The double learning design of donuts is simply a click of a button. If you are good looking, you can rush with confidence. People who don't know how to choose a microwave oven, just feel free to choose Midea Xiaozimo microwave oven MRHE.